GoPro rushed the photography industry and revolutionized the way we capture action video. What if I told you that you can get that same action sequence for your videos for a lot less of the cost? I would like to introduce to you the Activeon CX Gold Plus action camera. Now this camera did come out a few years ago. I'm going to bring into comparison the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Now these two cameras have a lot of similarities, however there are some differences that really sets them apart. I would like to split this video down the middle and compare the similarities and the differences. So let's first talk about the similarities. Both cameras offer similar frame rates, such as 240 frames per second at 480, 120 frames per second at 720, and 60 frames per second at 1080. However, GoPro goes a little further by offering 30 frames per second at 4K video. Next, the batteries are very similar. They both have around 1100 milliamps per hour size batteries. Also, the features are very similar as well, such as they both offer time-lapse and slow motion capabilities. The next similarity is wireless connectivity. Both cameras offer remote control via mobile devices as well as remote live viewing. The only difference there is that GoPro offers Bluetooth connectivity. The last similarity that I would like to discuss is that they are obviously GoPro has its accessories and so does Activeon. However, the Activeon action cameras are actually compatible with a lot of the GoPro accessories, such as this mount that I have here for my Joby GorillaPod. I simply mount this to the case of the Activeon camera, and then I just put this on my Joby GorillaPod, and now I'm ready to go on an adventure with my Activeon CX Gold Plus. Now let's talk about the differences. One big difference is that the GoPro Hero 4 Silver offers the max resolution of 4K, while the Activeon CX Gold Plus only offers a max resolution of 1080. Another difference is the water depth. The GoPro Hero 4 Silver can only go as deep as 131.2 feet, while the Gold Plus can go a little further at 197 feet. This next difference is very minor, it's not that big of a deal, but the GoPro Hero 4 Silver has a max fixed aperture of f2.8, while the Gold Plus has a max fixed aperture of f2.4. Another difference is that the GoPro has a 1.5-inch LCD, while the Gold Plus has a 2-inch LCD. And the last difference that I want to bring up is a major difference. The GoPro Hero 4 Silver comes in at about $263, while the Activeon CX Gold Plus comes in just under $55. So in conclusion, doesn't this make you wonder why GoPro cameras cost so much? Could it be all the money that they're spending on marketing? Or could it be that they're a trusted brand and they're here to stay? We don't know, but what I do know is that you can achieve the same look for just a fraction of the cost. Check out the links below if you would like to find out more or even get one for yourself. Now, if 4K is important to you, I also put a link down below so you can check out some budget 4K action cameras. Thanks for tuning in. Please like if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.